Sound effects are an incredible tool if you want to add realism, cohesion, and humor to your creative projects. Today we're looking at 10 top-tier sound effects to enhance your storytelling. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Flashback Dream Sequence by Sonic Boom is perfectly suited to a fantasy or sci-fi sequence that involves traveling through time or mental flashbacks. Number 9. Use Try Again by Game Chest Audio as a do-over sound for your app or game. Number 8. Urbizon's race car speeding transition could be useful in an intro for racing-oriented projects. Number 7. Grunge Tech Effect by Schwartz Sound has a dark, clanging grit that could come in handy in a science fiction project. Number 6. Ghostly Whisper Background Loop 10 by Stormwave Audio is a spine-tingling clip that will help you scare the bejesus out of your audience with your horror project. Number 5. Heavy metal door opening and closing by Urbizon is another foreboding noise which can be highly effective in a dungeon scene or a scary story podcast. Number 4. Author Sonic Boom takes us back into lighter territory with Magical Sparkle Whoosh, which could flesh out a fantasy scene or function as a reward sound in a game. Number 3. Button by Sonic Boom is a collection of 25 button sounds which could be extremely useful for mobile app or video game developers. Number 2. Dreamharp 01 by SoundJ is 7 seconds of angelic bliss. Fire it up when in need of whimsical or heavenly vibes. Number 1. Sonic Boom takes our top spot today with Infographics Pack, a collection of 50 whooshes, clicks, swipes, notifications, and other essential sounds for makers of apps, websites, and marketing videos. That does it for our top 10 sound effects of 2019. You'll find links to all the items featured in this video in the description below. How have you used sound effects in your projects? Tell us in the comments and like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. If you're hungry for more creative assets, take a look at this next video from Envato, selected just for you.